Welcome to your programming journey.
The starting your tech career begins with one big decision, choosing your first programming language. With so many options available, it's normal to feel overwhelmed. This guide will help you find the best language to match your learning goals, career plans, and personal interests. Let's explore how to make a confident, informed choice.
Identify your goals and interests.
Consider what you want to build or accomplish with code. Are you interested in developing mobile apps, websites, games, or analyzing data? Identifying your goals helps narrow your options. For example, aspiring web developers often start with JavaScript, while those interested in data science might prefer Python.
Ease of learning matters.
Some languages are considered more beginner-friendly. Python is widely praised for its simple, readable syntax, making it a popular choice for first-time programmers. JavaScript is also accessible, especially for those interested in web development. Choosing a language with a gentle learning curve can boost your confidence and keep you motivated.
Consider community and resources.
A strong learning community and abundant resources make learning more effective. Languages like Python and JavaScript have extensive online tutorials, forums, and beginner guides. Access to helpful documentation and active support communities makes it easier to find solutions when you get stuck.
Look at career opportunities.
Think about job demand and career paths linked to each language. Python is valuable in fields like data science, machine learning, and automation. JavaScript dominates web development. Java and C# are common in enterprise software. Research job postings and see which languages align with your long-term goals.
Making your choice.
There's no single best first language. Choose the one that excites you and fits your goals. Try out simple tutorials in Python, JavaScript, or another language that interests you. Remember, learning programming is a journey. Picking one language helps you build the foundation for learning more in the future.